In today's video, I'm going to install and review a Dragy Pro GPS-enabled performance testing device. This device is capable of recording and storing multiple types of performance data, including 0 to 60 times, quarter-mile times, track lap times, and more. Taking a look at the packaging, you'll see there is a Dragy device, which is very compact, a manual, and 2 accessory boxes. Inside the accessory boxes is a magnetic windshield mount, a charging cable, magnetic mounting plates, and Velcro mounting pads. I will have a link to this product down in the video description. Before you begin using the device, you'll need to download the Dragy app. To download the app, scan the QR code that's located inside the manual. This will take you to the app. Download the app from the App Store and click on Allow Location Tracking when prompted. After the app has been installed, we need to install the device in the car. Here's the Dragy. You want to mount it on the windshield so that it will get a clear GPS signal. The base is magnetic and it's very strong. So the Dragy will not move anywhere, which is nice. After you have the Dragy installed in the car and you have the app installed on your phone, all you'll need to do is hit connect. It'll take just a few seconds to connect. Once connected, it's going to get the satellite information. Nice thing is right up here, it's going to show you your battery level, that it's connected to satellites, and it's connected to Bluetooth. You can adjust the LED brightness of the flashing light on the Dragy. I keep it low. You can disconnect, and then you can also see if it's miles per hour or kilometers. For some reason it does keep showing kilometers, but it will record in miles per hour because that's how I have it set. If you come down here, we'll start with this area. You have the leaderboard. It shows other Dragy owners' vehicles and kind of the times that they've posted. You can look at motorcycles, RC cars, UATVs, overall top speed. And you can look at their 0 to 60, 60 to 130, quarter mile, 1/8, and 0 to 130, and so on. There's a feed. This is other owners that have posted their videos of them using their Dragy. And it kind of takes you to their pages. And I'll show you that here in a second, where you can basically film right from the Dragy on your phone. You can shop other Dragy products. And then if you go to Me, that allows you to see the videos that you've taken, which I've not taken any. Units of measurement. You can change it to Celsius, from Fahrenheit to Celsius. You can change it to metric. And then these are all the default modes that are set up. Now I'm not going to do 1 mile, half mile. I'm not going to worry about any of these. Main thing that I'm going to focus on just for this video is going to be the standard 0 to 60. So by unchecking all this, the Dragy is going to only focus on 0 to 60. After the units, you have settings. This gives you your account information, where you can delete your account, change your password, provide feedback to the company, the disclaimer about the product, about, which shows your version, and then you can log out of your account if you need to. FAQ, if you're having any issues with the system, this will provide information on what to do. Favorite, I don't have any favorite posts or anything like that that I have clicked on when doing the feed. There's a coupon if you want to order something from Dragy. There's social accounts. Then you can look at your history. You can look at the leaderboard history. You can filter that by how you want to view the different runs that you've done. Your garage, you can add your vehicle. I've added both my Veloster and my Elantra here. And then you would just simply add vehicle, select what you have, and then it asks you just a few questions. What the model is, the displacement, drivetrain, if you have any type of modifications to the vehicle. And then you have any notifications, messages from Dragy about your system or anything like that, which again, this is brand new. I don't have anything. And that's pretty much everything here in the Me section. You can also add a icon for yourself, which I've done so. Going back to Go. When you go to Go, this is your main page. This shows you your GPS data, temperature outside, which is 91 degrees today. This right here allows you to see your history again. And right here at the plus sign, this allows you to check again what you're wanting to see. It went back to the default again, which I don't want to show these. We're not getting up to 130 miles per hour today. You can also go into custom mode, which is really nice. And you can set your speed and distance all right here. And then do your own test. If you wanted to do 100 to 120 or something custom that you wanted to see, the system will allow you to do that. Right here, this takes you back to that main screen that I showed you earlier. It's mainly for your storage. You can see I don't have anything stored at this time. You can erase the storage if you needed to. So you can access that from here or from here. Now, the other thing is, after we start doing some runs, you can actually reset if you needed to, reset the counter, which I'll show you here. And finally, right here is how you record. Now, I don't have my phone set up to where it'll be able to record easily, where you'll be able to see it. So if I turn my phone like this, this will give you at least an idea of what it would look like. So it does have a 180 degree orientation right here. So when it's filming, it's going to show you your miles per hour, your distance. The other nice thing is, if you wanted to, you actually can hit this button. As you can see, my wife right there filming me. It'll do both modes here, or you can just turn the camera on yourself. So a lot of different options here with the Dragy, which makes it nice. You don't have to have another camera to film while you're doing different runs. I'll switch this back and we'll get out of there. Okay, so let's take the car out and we'll see how it performs. I think the product is very nice. I think you'll really like it. I love how compact it is and small. I do have it above my camera at this time, which I wouldn't normally put it there. I may put it like in the corner or something like that. I just put it there for the video right now because that would block my dash cam. So here we go. Let's set off and see how this works. All right, so we're driving along here. We've got a pretty good stretch of road. I'm going to go ahead and stop. There's nothing you need to do to the system. It's automatic. All you have to do is take off. It will record your time, Show your time at the bottom there. Now, if you do several runs and you don't care about those times, you don't need to save them or anything like that, you can simply hit reset and then start going again. It's very simple to use, very simple to operate. I'll do another quick little run here for you. And there you go. That's 0 to 60. And then you could come over here and that'll kind of show a little bit more of your data. It's a really nice system. I think that it would be great for anybody that is, wanting to record their performance numbers, performance times. It's very simple to use. Okay, here we are stopped, and we're going to do the 0 to 60. We've got the Dragy set up. Here we go. So here we go again. Do another run. 0 to 60. I purchased the Dragy Pro to help show performance figures in my YouTube videos. After using the product for a while now, I can say I really enjoy using it. It's much easier to use than my vehicle's performance pages, especially since everything is automatic and stored to where I can compare my performance numbers quickly and easily. The Dragy can be used on multiple types of vehicles and comes with all the mounting hardware that you'll need to attach it to your chosen vehicle. Finally, the device comes with 2 apps, the default app that I've shown and the Dragy Lap app. Plus, it can be used in conjunction with multiple other performance apps. If you're interested in ordering your own Dragy Pro, click on the link in the video description and order yours today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.